Hi guys, in this video we will check like how many types of blades comes with SkyCut plotters. So normally with the basic package of SkyCut plotter we get three blades. Two blades we get with 45-degree angles. This red color blade is 45-degree blade and the blue color blade is 60-degree blade. So two 45-degree blade and one 60-degree blade we get with the basic model of SkyCut. Apart from this, they have one more blade called fabric blade, which can cut the fabric, canvas, denim, and all. So that blades we need to buy separately, and that comes in the yellow color. So yellow color blade is 30-degree blade that cuts all kind of fabrics, approx around 7-8 type of fabric it cuts. So we'll see how we use these blades and how to set in the machine, and we get this blade holder here. So good thing in SkyCut is we have a common blade holder, and this blade holder is enough to take all kind of blades like 30-degree blade, 45-degree blade, and 60-degree blade. And I will show you how we need to insert the blade in the blade holder and then how to attach in the plotter. So I have this 45-degree blade here. So what we need to do, we just need to remove this cape. So we can see the angle is 45-degree here. If you can check, the blade angle is 45-degree. So what we need to do, we need to just loose it from the back side and then insert it from the top. It will go inside, yeah, and then start tightening it. And I'm just tightening it. So if you feel like this is not going to be tight, then you can lose the top one, the golden ring, and then again start moving it on top until unless you will get the blade on the top. So yeah, I'm just again losing it, and now you can see the blade pointer is coming on top of the, yeah, you can see, right? I will put in the light here so you will see the exact pointer. This pointer is here, blade pointer. So one thing that we need to remind is this blade depth should be more than the material you are cutting. So let's say I have this heat transfer vinyl here that I have linked with the I have right now inserted in the plotter. So I can see, so my blade depth should be more than the vinyl thickness. So this is just 80 micrometer vinyl. So 80-90 micrometer of depth is enough. So this we need to set manually here. So laser to this depth also okay for this vinyl. So I will just move it down. Yeah, that's it. And I can just tighten the gold ring. So you must tighten this gold ring properly. So this much thickness is enough for 80 micrometer. So I'm just taking it right now. So this red color blade means the 45-degree blade is responsible for cut all kind of vinyl materials and all thinner materials like around 150 to 200 micrometer thickness. These all kind of materials if belongs to crafting or heat transfer or normal canvas and all, that can be cut from this 45-degree blade. Then this 60-degree blade needs for the high density type of material like 3D foam or HD heat transfer vinyl or card stock for crafting materials and all. So this 60-degree blade useful for that. And then 30-degree blade we can buy separately. That blade used for cutting the garments, fabric cutting blade it is specifically. So all blade has different use case. So based on that we need to choose the blade first, what material we are cutting, and then insert the blade here. Depth of the blade we need to decide based on the thickness of your material. So that we need to decide manually and tighten it, and then we need to put it inside the holder here. So you can see there is a loose and tight connection here. So we can just make it loose, and then I will insert this blade inside it simply, and then again tight it. So this black holder will tight with the blade, and that's it. You can see, that's it. Now it will only go up and down, not here and there. Okay, and like that we can start cutting. So just remember one thing, the depth of the blade that you have set inside this holder should be more than the thickness of the material you are cutting. Correct? So this is material just 80 micrometer, that's why I have taken the red color blade, that is 45-degree blade, and this blade is enough to cut this. So now based on the material and all, we need to set the speed and force from the plotter setting. Yeah, there is different part. So this we are not going to cover right now in this video. So these all are the type. There are 3 types of blade that comes with the Skycut. Apart from that, we get extra accessories. We get laser engraving tool and all. That all laser engraving tool also attach on top of this head itself. So we need to remove this head from here and remove this blade from here, and then just add the laser engraving tool, and all the laser material also you can place here, and it will do the engraving and cutting and all.